welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for banana dinner rolls. This is going to be so delicious, and to get started here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using some milk. I have 2 overripe bananas. I have some sugar, melted butter, 1 egg, and some yeast. So first things first, you want to add a little bit of your sugar to that milk, and then we'll add 2 teaspoons of yeast here, and we will allow the yeast to activate. We'll give it about 5 minutes. Next, you want to go ahead and mash those bananas as smooth as you can get them. But if it have a bit of lumps in there, it's no problem. Then we will add our sugar here. We will add our melted butter, the egg. We'll add that yeast mixture back in here. We will mix everything to combine, and then we will add the wet ingredients to the flour. We will mix until it forms a nice soft dough. We'll lay the dough onto our countertop, and we will knead it until it is nice and smooth. We will allow it to rise for about 1 hour before we move on to the next step. Also, remember, if your dough is a little sticky, you can always go ahead and add a little bit of flour. But don't add too much flour to where your dough is rock hard. You still want a nice soft dough when you're done kneading. After about 1 hour, our dough has doubled in size. We'll go ahead and release that air from inside of the dough, and we will cut the dough into our desired sizes. Whatever size you want your dinner rolls in, you will cut them into that size. I cut mine super small, and I got about 14 dinner rolls. Next, you want to create the little balls for the dinner rolls the best way you can. Like, sometimes I just don't know how to explain forming a ball, but I feel like it's pretty straightforward. You just fold it up into your hands and roll it on the countertop until it forms a nice smooth ball, and we will keep repeating this process until we are all done. So you want to allow these to rise for about 30 minutes before we place them inside of the oven. We'll cover them with a kitchen towel, and after 30 minutes we'll place them in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So once they come out of the oven, this is how they should look. And we'll go ahead now and brush some melted butter over top of the dinner rolls. Guys, they smell amazing. All I smell is bananas in my kitchen. Super delicious. We will allow these to cool down a bit before I show you guys what they look like on the inside. And now for the good part, guys. Let's just break into this and see what it looks like. I could tell you already that it's super soft. Look at that. It is so soft, and I could imagine just eating this with some cheese or butter, and it will be absolutely divine. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!